Now I'm going to show you how to make a sea breeze, which has vodka, grapefruit juice, and cranberry juice. So basically, it's a Greyhound combined with a Cape Cod. First up, I'm going to take a glass and fill it up with ice. Oops. There you go. Remember, not too much ice, not too little ice. Okay. I'm going to pour in the vodka first, an ounce of vodka, and I'll count with you. I guess I'm like a little kid, right? 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000. Done. Now I'm going to pour in the grapefruit juice, and I'm going to make it halfway up there so then I can get an equal amount of the cranberry juice. Okay. Oh, that looks good. Finally, I'm going to pour in the cranberry juice. Ah, great. And of course, I'm going to have to stir it. Very nice. Now, if you notice, the sea breeze has more of a pinkish, mauvish color, whereas right here has more of an orangish color. Very interesting. And there's also a drink that's very similar to this called the Bay Breeze. Now with the Bay Breeze, rather than using grapefruit juice, you just use pineapple juice instead.